Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about the city creation. In this, basically, we are discussing about one story, basically, that is 20 percentage error, basically, which is basically the education error, and 200 people, basically, that is also basically error. In this, basically, one of the person told that basically, uh, one person basically asked the question, basically, 11 parts, basically, which gets divides from the Earth planet, basically 11 parts basically becomes the 11 parts earth planet basically gets divides into 11 parts basically, right? Then he told that yes, basically. So one of the person told that basically, do you know basically how the earth planet is created? So one of the person told that basically the earth planet is created uh, with the help of 11 friends. Assume that basically they are created from the 11 friends. So is it that basically that whenever basically 11 friends and their group story, basically, just taking as an example, because everything is in universe, basically everything connects to stories only, basically. So like this, one of the person told that basically, is it possible like that basically that 11 friends basically are connecting to this earth planet, basically? Then into that might possible, basically, that it might possible, basically. So one of the person told that basically the 20 percentage error, basically, which is basically coming, basically, that is basically coming from the 100% the creation only, basically, that is the city creation. And city creation are equal to the education certification creation data, basically. Then he told that yes, basically. So one of the person asked the question, basically, earthquake basically when happens, basically the incidents happens, right? Yes, basically the incidents happen. So incidents basically are equal to what? That basically we have discussed long before, that bomb blast happened, this happened, the tsunami happens, sometime basically the Gaza Israel also basically happens, sometime basically the Iraq war happened, sometime basically the Dubai war happens, sometime basically the Bangladesh war happens, sometime Pakistan Kargil war happens, sometime this war, that war, China war, like this all war basically happens. That basically connects 100% to the earthquakes. Then he told that yes, basically 100% is connecting with the earth. So one of the person asked the question, basically, which all are basically the datas, basically, which all are basically connecting to the earthquakes, basically. Then he told that basically this war basically which was happened in the China and India, basically that was connecting to this all earthquake, basically, and these all earthquakes basically are connecting to these all blood groups. Do you know basically this Kargil war basically happened? Yes, basically I know basically Kargil war also, basically that was basically started from this earthquake, basically. That earthquake is connected to that blood group, basically, and that blood group basically has are connected with this story, basically. Then he told that that story, yeah, that story, basically. So one of the person told that basically the each and every education is created on the base of story, basically. That was also basically very dangerous thing, basically. For example, this story generated, that story generated, this story generated, that time basically this certificate generated, MBA certificate generated, that story generated, that time basically the BCom certificate generated, that story basically generated, that time basically the MCom certificate generated, that story generated, then basically the MBBS story generated, that story generated, that time basically the IIT's certificate generated, this story basically generated, that time basically the IIM basically certification generated. So is it like this, basically? Then one of the person told that basically 100% but not sure, basically, but possibilities are basically there that this type of thing basically might have happened, basically. Possibilities are there, basically. Then he told that basically that means the 200 people basically error also basically might be connected like this only, basically. In this basically the person basically visited Mumbai city, visited Ahmedabad, visited Pune, visited Bangalore, visited, that basically are connected with this everything, basically. That basically he told that might be connected, basically. So one of the person basically asked the question, basically, how does computer certification generated, basically, on the basis of which story basically it generated? Then he told that basically need to check, basically. Yeah, basically that basically generated from that story, basically. Then basically he told that, is this basically the 200 people basically are not getting job? Assume that they all are basically from software industry. Are they basically connected with that story, basically? Then they told that basically might be possible that basically any of the chain basically of the story basically might be connected here basically, and that chain basically created problem to these 200 people basically. So one of the person asked the question basically, so do you know basically what is that chain basically, on the basis of what basically the 200 people basically are getting trouble. Then he told that basically that also need to check basically, yeah, basically that need to check basically. So one of the person told that basically might possible basically that from this story basically of the this many people's basically story, this story basically was connected, and due to that story basically this person's chain basically got connected. Then he told that yes, might be possible basically. So he told that basically might be possible basically. So like this, he told that basically each and every world basically, each and every education sector basically, that is 20 percentage error basically, is connected with some of the stories basically, because education is created on the base of set of stories basically. Then he told that might be possible. Then he told that basically 98% it might be possible, but 100% I can't say basically. 100% possibility is not there basically. Then he told that okay, so you want to say that that possibility is not there basically. Yes, basically, exactly basically. That possibility is not there basically of the 100% basically. 100% possibility is not there basically. So he told that basically possibilities of 100% is not there basically. Then basically he told that yes, basically might not be possible basically. 100% possibility is not there. 98% possibilities are there basically. 200% basically 98% possibilities are there that it is generated like this only basically. So one of the person told that basically 11 parts basically which is divided, 11 parts basically which is divided of the world basically, that is one of the part basically, that is Asia part. What actually that story is generating by the Asian group basically. In the Asian group basically hundreds of plane basically are getting crashed in the Himalaya mountain. That basically story might be wrong also, and that might be correct also basically, because any of the thing basically done in the blog basically, that some possibilities are there basically. It might be not be 100 basically, it might be 50 plane basically might be crashing, but crashing basically might be happening in the Himalaya and Everest basically. But that basically even the USA basically is not able to track that basically, and that basically created in problem in their life only. That was the World Trade Center basically. They basically hid this, and in that basically they also basically got in trouble. That was World Trade Center basically. Might be possible that basically that plane basically might be going into that Himalaya and Everest basically. That time basically this plane connected here basically, and the blast was happened. In real basically it might be possible to, it might be going in that Himalaya and Everest basically. So like this one of the person told that basically each and every planes are basically getting hijacked. The people the 100 planes basically which are moving in the Himalaya and Everest basically, that is basically getting hijacked. Then he told that basically might be possible because nobody the plane pilot basically will not give his life basically like that basically. If he has done so many of hard work there basically, then how basically he will give his life basically. Then he told that basically might be possible that his plane and his brain also basically might be getting hijacked when he was basically sitting in the plane and riding the plane basically. So it's very dangerous basically, the groups basically who do the plane ride basically and helicopter ride. Few people says that basically I have created the office in my home only basically, because I know this all thing basically. That's how that type of people also basically are there. So like this basically one of the person told that basically the 20 percentage is error basically which is connected basically, that is 100%, not 100%, 200%, sorry, it's 98% the stories only basically which is generating the error basically. So one of the person told that basically in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.